Hello friends, today we will discuss an economics topic that is quasi-rent. Quasi-rent refers to the extra income earned by a factor of production, especially man-made or fixed factors like machinery in the short run, when its supply is fixed and cannot be increased, but demand rises. In the long run, supply becomes elastic, can be increased. So quasi rent disappears in the long run. It arises temporarily, mainly applies to the capital equipment, not land. Disappears when new machines enter the market. For example, suppose a special machine costs rupees 10 lakh and normally earns 20,000 profit, 20,000 per month. Due to high demand for its product, the machine now earns rupees 50,000 per month in the short run because new machine cannot be made quickly. Normal earnings is equal to rupees 20,000. Actual earning is rupees 50,000. So quasi rent in this case will be is equal to rupees 50,000 minus 20,000 is equal to rupees 30,000 per month. After some time, when more machines are available, earnings will return to rupees 20,000, no quasi rent. So formula of quasi rent is equal to total revenue minus total variable cost. In this case, it is 50,000 rupees 50,000 minus 20,000 is equal to rupees 30,000. The diagram is similar to the economic rent but for fixed capital in short run. X-axis quantity of capital that is fixed, Y-axis price or earnings. Supply curve perfectly inelastic, so it is vertical in short run. Demand shifts upward, causing extra earning above the minimum required. So it is shown in the diagram where orange area is the area of quasi-rent. Thank you.